GoHighLevel Voice AI just got a huge upgrade, and it's called the Prompt Optimizer. This thing calls your AI phone agent like a real customer, tests it against the hard situations, finds every single thing it's doing wrong, and then rewrites its own instructions to fix it. I ran it on an agent I already built, and it took the score from 55% all the way up to 95%, and I barely touched anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and then I'm going to share some ways I'm using voice AI inside my own agency that most people haven't even thought of. But real quick, let me show you why you should listen to me. I run a social media marketing agency, and over the last 12 months, our clients have paid us a little over $5 million. And I'm not just gonna say that. Let me refresh my payment processor live so you can see it. There it is. Over $5 million in the last 12 months from about 350 active clients paying us around $1,000 a month each. I pull this up in every video because there's way too many people on YouTube teaching business without ever showing real numbers. Chapter 1. What a voice AI agent actually is. So if you're new here, GoHighLevel has a feature called Voice AI, and it's basically an AI employee that answers your phone. It talks like a real person, it answers questions about the business, and it can actually do things while it's on the call, like book appointments. And you don't even have to build it by hand anymore. You just tell Ask AI what you want, and it builds the whole agent for you in about a minute. But let me just show you one in action because that's what really sells it. And if you want to follow along and build this with me, just click the first link in the description below. This is an agent I set up for a garage door repair company. I'm going to call in, tell it my garage door won't open, and watch what it does. It answers instantly, and it hears the problem. And it doesn't just take a message. It confirms exactly who I am. It grabs my callback number just like a trained receptionist would. And then it goes to the calendar. Those aren't made up times. Those are real openings pulled straight from the calendar we connected. And here's my favorite moment. I asked for a time that wasn't even open, and instead of getting confused, it offered me the closest available slot. That's not a script. That's it thinking. And just like that, the appointment is booked on the real calendar and confirmed back to me. That's not a person. That's the AI, and it works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, I've got a complete voice AI tutorial where I build one of these from scratch and walk through every feature, so I'll point you to that at the end, because today I want to focus on the new upgrade, and it fixes the single biggest problem with these agents. Chapter 2, the Prompt Optimizer. So here's the problem. Once your agent goes live, it's talking to real customers with real money on the line, and you don't actually know how good it is. It might be great when someone asks about pricing and then completely fumble when someone calls in with an emergency. And the old way to find out was to call your own agent over and over, pretending to be different customers, which nobody has time for. So a lot of people set these up, get one bad call, and quietly turn the whole thing off. Well, that problem is gone. The Prompt Optimizer tests your agent for you with real phone calls and then fixes what it finds. First, you turn it on in labs, then you open up your agent and the Prompt Optimizer button is sitting right above your prompt. It works in 3 steps. Step 1, it reads your agent setup and writes a whole batch of test scenarios for you, the exact stuff real callers would say. So on this one, which I built for a med spa, one scenario is a panicked client whose face is swelling after a treatment. Another is someone grilling it on pricing. Another is a question the knowledge base can't answer to see if the agent admits that instead of making something up. And every scenario spells out what the caller says and what the agent is expected to do. You just check the ones you want and hit run calls. Step 2, it actually calls your agent. These aren't fake text simulations, they're real live phone calls, and you can watch them run on the screen. And when they finish, you get a report card. Mine came back 12 pass, 10 failed, a 55% score, and that stung a little because I thought this agent was pretty good. But this is exactly why you test. You can open any call, listen to the recording, and read the full transcript. So here's the emergency call. The tester says their face is swelling and they're having trouble breathing, and the agent immediately transfers them to a real person. That one passed. And step 3 is where it gets crazy. You hit improvise and the AI reads through every failed call, figures out exactly what went wrong, and lists out the issues. Like on mine, it caught that when a caller asked about promotions, the agent tried to answer it instead of taking their info so the team could call them back. Then it rewrites the prompt to fix everything it found and reruns the same test on the new version. My first variation jumped from 55% to 77%, but you don't have to stop there. There's an auto mode that just keeps going all by itself. It writes a new version, tests it, writes another one, tests that, and it holds on to the best one. Mine hit 95% on the second variation. And when a later version came back worse, it didn't matter because it keeps the winner. You can hit stop whenever you're happy, and you can see the cost of each run right on the screen. Mine were just a few bucks each. Then you pull up the prompt diff and you see every single change it made, line by line, green for what it added, red for what it cut. Like on mine, it added a hard rule that the agent can't end a call until it has the caller's name and a callback number. That's the kind of fix a consultant would charge you real money for. And when you're ready, you hit use this prompt and your upgraded agent is live. And here's the part I really like. It runs all of these tests on a copy of your agent, so your live agent never changes until you click that button. And every location gets 20 free testing minutes a day, so you can keep tuning it without stressing about it. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to run my entire agency and all of my clients. So if you haven't tried it out yet, you can use my link down in the description. And when you sign up with my link, you also get access to my community with over 100 video lessons, an AI prompt library, and other bonuses completely free. Chapter 3, how I'm using voice AI inside my agency. So everybody talks about the AI receptionist, and that's real, but the outbound side is where it's gotten really interesting for us. Once you enable outbound calling, your agent can make calls, not just take them. The first way we use it is appointment confirmations. My agency books appointments for our clients every single day, and a booked appointment is worthless if the person doesn't show up. So now every new appointment we book gets a confirmation call from the agent. You set up the outbound message, something like calling to confirm your upcoming appointment. And then you drop the agent into a workflow so the calls fire all on their own. So here's what that looks like. A trigger up top and the voice AI outbound call right under it. For us, that trigger is a new appointment getting booked. No VA, no checklist, nobody on my team dialing anybody. The second way is one almost nobody talks about. We use it to phone screen job applicants. When we post a job, we can get 100 applications in a couple of days, and most of them aren't serious. So instead of my team calling all 100, the agent calls every applicant, asks the same screening questions every single time, and we just read the transcripts and only talk to the best ones. So my team went from days of phone tag to about an hour of reading. Chapter 4, other ways people are using this. Now, once you see the outbound side, the ideas start stacking up. So let me give you a few that go past the usual stuff. Number one is waking up old leads. Every business is sitting on a list of people who called once and never booked. So here's a list of almost 700 old contacts, and the agent can call through every single one of them with a comeback offer. That's revenue hiding in a spreadsheet. Number two is review requests. You can set up a workflow that drops a friendly voicemail to your happy clients after a visit, asking them to leave a review. Reviews are huge for local businesses, and this makes them automatic. Number three is live lookups with custom actions. This lets the agent reach into other systems in the middle of a call. So think about how many calls are just, where's my order, or what's the status of my job? The agent can pull that up and answer on the spot, no hold music, no transfers. And number four is putting the agent right on your website. You build a little chat widget, drop the code on your site, and now visitors can talk to the business out loud right in their browser. So you're catching the people who would have clicked away without ever calling. And of course, there's still the classics, answering every missed call and calling brand new leads back in seconds while they're still interested. But my point is, this isn't just a receptionist anymore. It's a whole employee that happens to work the phones. Now, coming up next, I've got my complete voice AI tutorial where I build one of these agents from scratch and walk through every single feature step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.